Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen wal aqibatul muttaqeen was salatu was salam ala rasulihi Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa baitihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma anfa'ni bima 'allamtani wa 'allimni ma yanfa'uni wa zidni 'ilman walhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ya Akhwani, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed Hajj in 10th Hijri. After Hijrat, it was the first and the last Hajj of Rasulullah. Rasulullah sallam sent messengers to different areas and announced that I am coming for Hajj. Whoever can should join me in Hajj. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed Sayyidina Abu Dujana as the governor of Medina during his absence. And on 25th Dhul-Qa'dah, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam left Medina, accompanied by all his wives. In this event of Hajj, Rasulullah sallam gave his mission of spreading dawah of Islam to his ummah. In Hajj with Rasulullah, there were 125,000 companions. In this Hajj, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered a sermon on the 9th day of Dhul-Hijjah, 10th Hijri, at the place of Urana Valley of Mount Arafat in Makkah. After praising and thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam began with the words, Ayyuhan nasu isma'u qawli, fa inni la adri la'ali, la alqaakum ba'da aami, hadha bihadha li mawqifan abada. O people, lend me an attentive ear, for I know not whether after this year I shall ever be amongst you again. Therefore listen carefully to what I am saying, and take these words to those who could not be present here today. In dima'akum wa amwalakum haramun alaykum, ka hurmatun yawmukum hadha, fi shahrikum hadha wa ufi baladikum hadha. Your blood and your property are as sacred as are this day and this month. You will surely meet your Lord, and He will ask you of your works. I have told you, he who is entrusted with property belonging to another should deliver his trust to whom it belongs. Allah has ordained to every man the share of his inheritance. A testament is not lawful to the prejudice of heirs. The child belongs to his parents, and the violator of wedlock shall be stoned. ورب الجاهلية موضوعة وأول رب عدو من ربنا رب عباس بن عبد المطلب فإنه موضوع كله. Ujri is forbidden, and I make a beginning by remitting the amounts of interest which Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib had to receive. Verily it is remitted entirely. ألا كل شيء من عمل الجاهلية تحت قدمي موضوع ودماء الجاهلية موضوعة وإن أول دمن أدعو من دماء نادم ابن ربيع بن الحارث وكان مستر ضعاف بني سعد فقتلته هزيل. Behold, all practices of paganism and ignorance are now under my feet. The blood revenge of the days of ignorance are remitted. The first claim on blood I abolish is that of Ibn Rabi'a bin Harish, who was being nursed in the tribe of Sa'd and whom Huzayl killed. فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهِ فِي النِّسَاءِ فَإِنَّكُمْ أَخَذْتُمُوهُنَّ بِأَمَانَةِ اللَّهِ وَأَسْتَحْلَلْتُمْ فُرُوجَهُنَّ بِكَلَمَةِ اللَّهِ وَلَكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ أَلَّا يُؤْتِيَنْ فَرْشُكُمْ عَهْدًا تَكْرَهُونَ فَإِنْ تَفْعَلْنَ ذَلِكَ فَاضْرِبُوهُنَّ ضَرْبًا غَيْرَ مُبَرَّحٍ وَلَهُنَّ عَلَيْكُمْ رِزْقُهُنَّ وَكِسْوَتُهُنَّ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ. O people, fear Allah concerning women. Verily you have taken them on the security of Allah, and have made their persons lawful unto you by words of Allah. It is incumbent upon them to honor their conjugal rights, and not to commit acts of impropriety which, if they do, you have authority to chastise them, yet not severely. If your wives refrain from impropriety and are faithful to you, clothe and feed them suitably. In zamana kad astadara kahiyati yawma khalqi samawati wal ardi. As-sanatu isna ashara shahran minha arba'a. Salasu mutawaliyatu dhul qa'da wa dhul hijja wal muharram. Wa rajaba madara allazi bayna jamada wa sha'ban. Time has grown the same as it was when Allah created heavens and the earth. A year is of 12 months, 4 of which are sacred months. 3 of 4 months are successive. They are Zulqada, Zulhijjah and Al-Muharram. The 4th month is Rajab, which comes between Jamada and Sha'ban. وَسَتَلْقُونَ رَبَّكُمْ فَيَسْأَلُكُمْ عَنْ أَعْمَالِكُمْ الْأَفِلَ تَرْجَعُوا بَعْدِي دَلَالًا أَنْ يَضْرِبُوا بَعْضُكُمْ رَكُوبَ بَعْضٍ. You will go back to be resurrected after death to your Lord. There you will be accounted for your deeds, so do not turn into people, go astray and kill one another. O people, listen to what I say and take it to the heart. You must know that every Muslim is the brother of another Muslim, and that all Muslims are brethren. All of you are as equal as the fingers of a hand. It is not lawful for any man to take anything of his brother's except what is given with one's own free will. Therefore, do not do injustice to one another. All mankind is from Adam and Eve. لا فضل عربيا على عجمي ولا الأسود على أحمر إلا بالتقوى. An Arab has no superiority over an Ajami, or an Ajami has over an Arab. Also, white has no superiority over a black, nor a black has any superiority over a white, except by piety and good actions. And your slaves, see that you feed them with such food as you eat yourselves, and clothe them with the stuff you wear. And if they commit a fault which you are not inclined to forgive, then part from them, for they are the servants of Lord, and are not to be harshly treated. ألا لن يجني جان إلا على نفسي ألا لن يجني جان على ولدي ولا مولود على والديه ألا إن الشيطان قد يئس أن يعبد في بلدكم هذا أبدا ولكن ستكون له طاعة تحتقرون من أعمالكم فسيرضي به. Any wrongdoer does not wrong another except himself. So let no one of you be blamed for the acts of his father or his son. Verily, Shaitan has utterly been despaired of being worshipped in the city of yours. But he will be obeyed by you in the things you will be considering of no value. Shaitan will be content even by such things. أيها الناس إنه لا نبي بعدي ولا أمة بعدكم ألا فاعبدوا ربكم وصلوا خمسكم وصوموا شهركم وأدوا زكاة أموالكم طيبة بها أنفسكم وتحجون بيت ربكم وأطيعوا ولاة أمركم تدخلوا جنة ربكم. O people, I am not succeeded by a prophet and you are not succeeded by any nation. So I recommend you to worship your Lord, to pray 5 prayers, to fast Ramadan, and to offer the zakat of your provision willingly. I recommend you to perform the pilgrimage to the sacred house of your Lord, and to obey those who are in charge of you, and then you will be awarded to enter the paradise of your Lord. O people, understand words that I convey to you. I leave behind me 2 things, the Quran and the Sunnah, and if you follow these, you will never go astray. All those who listen to me shall pass on my words to others, and those to others again, and may the last ones understand my words better than those who listen to me directly. O Allah, be my witness that I have conveyed your message to your people. As part of sermon, Rasulullah ﷺ recited to them a revelation from Allah which he had just received, and which completed the Quran, for it was the last message to be revealed. اليوم يئس الذين كفروا من دينكم فلا تخشوهم واخشون اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. This day the disbelievers despair of prevailing against your religion, so fear them not, but fear me, Allah. This day I have perfected for you your religion and fulfilled my favor unto you, and it hath been my good pleasure to choose Islam for you as your religion. The sermon was repeated sentence by Safwan's brother Rabi'a radhiyallahu anhu, who had a powerful voice, and he delivered faithfully to companions radhiyallahu anhu. At the end of sermon, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "O people, have I faithfully delivered unto you my message?" A powerful scream from companions radhiyallahu anhum came, "Allahumma na'am, Allahumma na'am, O Allah, yes, O Allah, yes." And the voice rolled like thunder throughout the valley. Then Rasulullah ﷺ raised his forefinger and said, "O Allah, bear witness that I have conveyed your message to your people." Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Subhanallah, this sermon is a big lesson of life for whole Ummah. Rasulullah ﷺ in his sermon told all rights of humans, all ethics of humans, all discipline of humans, and taught Ummah to live according to this. So dear brothers and sisters, this is for today's video. We'll come back with the final video on this series inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from me and you and grant us to understand it, act on it, to stand firm on it, have a lesson from this beautiful sermon of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also follow the teachings and sunnahs of Rasulullah in our whole life. Ameen. Fi amanillah.